A 106-kilometer high-speed railway linking the cities of Menzi and Miele in China's Yunnan province was put into operation on Friday. With a design speed of 250 kilometers per hour, the new railway has slashed the travel time between Menzi and Kunming, the provincial capital, to 69 minutes.
现在高铁开通了，我们村民要上其他地方务工、上省城都非常方便。我们种的枇杷、金丝枣销路会更好，老百姓的收入会增加。
The construction of this railway started in June 2018. A total of 52 bridges and 10 tunnels were built to overcome the complex geological structure in the area. It is an important part of the railway network between China's southwestern region and ASEAN countries, which will play a positive role in speeding up the urbanization process of rural ethnic areas along the railway.